I am throwing together a quick breakfast. I just have some duck eggs, broccoli, onion, and some grass-fed butter. And then I'm just going to put some of this cheese on it with a little bit of ketchup and then move along with my day. But it's just quick. The kids have already eaten and Millie has taken a little rest here. So we will get on with the rest of our day. I don't know. We might have some errands to run. I just don't know yet. We'll see where the day takes me. I'll see. You know how I'm not really much of a planner. Okay, it's the morning now. I'm making these funnel cakes. I'm following Lily Lute. I will drop her handle. She's pretty awesome. I know some of you do follow her. I'm going to use her recipe. So I have 2 cups of flour. Hold on. Her cute little husband's talking. 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cane sugar. I have some salt in there. Tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to do a cup of milk and then, oh, I hear baby crying. Oh, husband's out there. Cup of milk, 2 eggs, and a little bit of vanilla. Stir that up, and then I'm going to heat some avocado oil here and make little mini funnels. I hear ya. Okay, chickens. Yeah, she said. Organic milk, cup of that. So we need to save the farm fresh milk for something else.
Don't climb over here because my baby's staying here.
Oh, Delilah's baby's sleeping. Shh, everybody. Look at you under the counter. Gotta clean that. Kind of looks like this. You want a better consistency? Okay, and you're gonna put it in a bag and then like pipe it out. I know. Everyone always tells me to put down the baby while I'm cooking. I don't want to. Don't tell moms to do that. It's fine. Just keep them away from the hot oil and they'll be fine, huh, girl? I want to hold my baby. That's okay to do. If you didn't do that back in your day, then that's fine too. Hold your babies as long as you possibly can. There's nothing wrong with it. All right, got a consistency kind of thicker than the pancake. But let's get this heat going. I'm gonna go at 6 and we're gonna do avocado oil, but you could also do coconut oil. Or if you still have vegetable oil, although I told you to get rid of it, you can do that too. You could fry it, I suppose, or lard or something. I've even seen people do like a bacon grease, and that way it's like sweet and salty. You could do that too, but don't have time. We're making homemade whipped cream and we're doing some strawberries. That's gonna be super yummy. Okay, Millie told me she wanted to take a nap. She just tells me night-night, which I love. Not the best sleeper at night, but she tells me when she's tired during the day. So she's up there taking a little snooze, and I'm piping this into a bag, and I can't find my tripod, so just pretend you know that there's a bag right below me here. I'm gonna cut a little hole in the corner, and then we are going to get it in this hot oil. Of course, you gotta do a tester first. That's what we hear all day with the windows open. Here we go. The Rhode Island Reds were picking hard on Dixie today and made her back bleed, so they're in the coop for the day. I don't know what else to do, but we have found a home for them. Here we go. This is what you were imagining. You got it right. Do one of these. Oh, I have a cowboy coming in. Do one of these and then cut a hole here and we'll do the spin. I'll show you.
Oh, my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh, my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm lying say I'm not afraid, but I'm trying to shelter you from pain. And oh my love, the seasons come and they go, but I hope you know that I won't.
Okay, for the Blue Line Oreos, we're doing powdered sugar, a little bit of heavy cream, and then we're gonna do some food coloring. The Watkins no artificial dye, so just maybe 2 dots of that, and then we will put them on our Oreos. I know, pretty silly to be having these ingredients with an Oreo, but we're keeping it real, huh? Ready? Oop.
I see the blue.
We're going for 2024 blue, not 70s blue.
Like I said, I'm going to put him in the freezer.
Okay, this could be one of the easiest things I've ever done, but whatever. Just gives it an extra little thing. The Oreos on the bottom of these, they don't have any icing on them because I don't know what else to do. So you could go get platters from the Dollar Tree if you wanted, or you could just make it work with what you have. But this is an inexpensive one, very easy. And there you go. Or you could even like spell out thank you or something like that. But do whatever your heart feels. Super cute. Okay, here's the finished product. We have the Oreos. I put the salsa in a bin right there. Just did some mission chips for them. The croissants. I have some powdered sugar, mini funnel cakes. Yay! Just to give them a little enthusiasm. We have some strawberry. I don't know what to call it. I guess it's preserves technically. Please ignore the mess. I was cooking all night. And then I have the chicken salad in here, as well as the veggie tray. So yay! We're gonna go take it up now. I'm excited. Oh man, here we go.
I feel like we've waited an appropriate amount of time to be like to go to a gas station.
That's
such
true.
A stupid thing. So I feel like we've waited long enough that we can check it out.
I don't want that gas station. Oh, look out like a munchie guy.
Yeah, he does look like a munchie
Tuesday
guy.
afternoon, it's still pretty busy.
Look at that. What do we get? Strawberry lemonade, vanilla cola. We got some Sammy's. Sliced brisket.
Did you get one too?
I did. Sliced brisket.
Can I have it?
That's yours,
That
though?
one's Wise. Yes.
It's mine.
Yes, you may. Got some venison and cheese cups, watermelon. Tell us all your favorite Buc-ee's things. I got alkaline water just to be semi-healthy here. Beef brisket. Looks delish. Consensus is the brisket is pretty good. I liked that sandwich. I really like the brisket, but the pork. I'm gonna try the pork. It's a little while later and we're gonna have some dinner outside. We kept it pretty simple. Here you go. We have the Annie's mac. We like that because it doesn't have the enriched flour. And then we have blueberries, cucumbers, and yogurt, huh? And some farm fresh milk. So we're having a nice little outside party. The fire ants are, yes, coming in hot. Yes, I will come sit in 1 second. But we got some things pretty leveled out in the yard here. We were just discussing more garden boxes, so we shall see. Miss Millie, are you eating over here? She has her nice little... Are you a mess, my sweet? Oh, I love it. Beautiful day in Colorado. I have some cucumbers. I'm gonna put one here and one there. And this bed, we'll just call it good. Everybody else is doing pretty good. Does anyone watch Curb Your Enthusiasm? Larry David? Anybody? No? I don't know. Anyways, strawberries looking fine. Everybody's looking real good. Okay, let's just get going. I'm excited about this garden. I'm excited about documenting because even like looking back through the week, I have seen so much growth. I'm amazed by it. So I'm gonna get this going.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground, but I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got, and I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got.